Exclusive. China's Huawei in talks to sell premium smartphone brands P and Mate. Exclusive. We should do more.
We need a sound effect.
Yeah. Exclusive.
Yeah.
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun.
I'll record that and I'll play it.
Perfect. China's Huawei in talks to sell premium smartphones. So I guess Reuters got the exclusive, I suppose. Brands P and Mate. Those are the big brands. Those are the phones you care about. The P and the Mate. That's everything. Well, I mean, I guess there's others, but those are the ones that I've cared about. Those are the top tier devices. Now, it's everybody knows at this point that they sold the Honor brand. It's been all kinds of sanctions. It's been all kinds of problems if your name is Huawei. Trump didn't like you. And now who knows what's going to happen with the new guy? Biden. Does he like you?
Yeah, we'll see.
No, does he like you?
Does he like me? Me? I don't think so.
No, he doesn't like you either. What's to like?
Yeah.
No, I'm sure he likes you. How can you not like Willie Do? I mean, it's no problem. I think you and Biden would get right along.
Well, he has dogs.
He has what?
He has dogs.
Oh, okay. So Otis
at
can
the
play
White
with the
House.
dogs,
Yeah.
and that's how you're going to sort it out. I heard he had a Peloton bike, and he couldn't get in the White House. They were concerned, like as far as the security level of bringing in an internet connected device,
Yeah.
encryption, presidents, CIA, earpieces,
Just leave it outside.
black helicopters.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, he's got to you got to use the Peloton on the front lawn of the White House.
Yeah. There you
It's
go.
worth it for my Peloton. People love them. So they sold the Honor brand to keep it alive because of all the sanctions, because they can't get their hands on the chips they want, because components are hard to come by, because the United States has waged war, obviously, on Huawei and a variety of other brands that they consider to be a national security risk. And they're not alone. It's not just the United States. It's other markets as well that have turned away from companies like Huawei, and not just on the smartphone front, but also communications in general. I'm talking the towers and the infrastructure behind the upgrades to the 5G networks in these places. So it's possible Huawei now, I mean, at least you look at this report, they say 2 people with direct knowledge of the matter. That's what Reuters said, because you can't name the people, Will. It's very confidential. But it's people with direct knowledge on the matter, not knowledge on the matter, direct. Makes it sound like they know what they're talking about. I don't know. Anyway, so the report here is it would be a similar type of deal. It would be some sort of consortium, which, by the way, I had a Twitter conversation because last time I relished in the fact that I got the chance to say the word consortium, but then I had a British guy, or at least a British English speaker, that said, hey, consortium, sir, and I'm sick of your consortium. But the thing is, this depends on where you are in the world, and you can look up the various pronunciations, and it's like this, and people get very upset, like the aluminium types. Consortium. There you go, British English. Consortium. Now, you can actually, you see, pronounce it either way. See how it says consortium, and then right beside it, it says consortium. You see, when you look at the spelling there?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do it either way. I don't really care. I'll say consortium today, because I like that word too.
Yeah.
Consortium. I'll go with that. So similar situation, talks between Huawei and a consortium led by Shanghai government-backed investment firms. This conversation has been going on for months. They're sick of fighting this battle. They're sick of playing these games. They want these to, they're like, we got to get something out of this. Rumor was, and it's not an official figure, but the rumor was that just the Honor piece sold for around $15 billion.
15 billion?
15 billion. I mean, that's not nothing, Will.
No, not at all.
That'll buy you a toothbrush and a set of PJs.
Some Bitcoin as well.
It'll buy you whatever you want to buy you. As long as it's less than 15 billion. It'll buy you a smartphone brand, if you like. Huawei would probably, for these 2 brands, would probably gather even more cash, presumably. So this consortium comes together and potentially puts 40 billion on the table. Shipments of Mate and P series phones were worth 40 billion between Q3 2019 and Q3 2020. So in a year, they did 40 billies in revenue. Holy moly, that would be an expensive business. Now, it's kind of crazy because as of right now, Huawei is the 2nd biggest smartphone maker in the world. Holy moly! And you're looking to make a deal? That's interesting. However, I do feel the need to let you know. A Huawei spokesman said, "There's no merit to these rumors whatsoever. Huawei has no such plan." And he said exactly like that.
That's preposterous.
Yeah, he was very upset. But that's what you do if you're the company, if you're the spokesperson, you squash it because you're undergoing the negotiations. But we'll see. Huawei could look very different very soon. And those premium phones might have a different stamp on them. You know, P series, Mate series.